This brief out-of-the-box tutorial will get you up and running quickly with your new DPI Light Kit from FoxFury. The components of the kit include the Rugo light itself, the swappable battery pack for extended battery life in the field, the charging cable, and additional mounting accessories. To turn on your light kit, you want to hold the yellow button on the right side. Then you can press 3 times to get the brightest setting for use with your DPI 10 typically. To turn off the light, you just hold the yellow button again. To mount your light kit to your DPI 10, you have a convenient cold shoe mounting mechanism. So you can slide that right into the cold shoe mount included with your DPI 10, all the way back, and tighten into place to attach securely. You're now ready to start scanning with your DPI 10 and the attached Rugo light kit. You power the light on, turn it up to maximum brightness. You'll see it has a nice wide field of view, pointed in the same direction as the camera, and works nicely with Dot3D Pro in a dark environment. Next, we are going to review the hot swappable battery pack and charging mechanism for your DPI Light Kit. The battery pack will detach from the Rugo light. To do so, you need to hold down this lever in the middle and then pull the two halves of the light apart. This is how you also will charge your light kit, as the charging port is in the middle, as you see here. When you want to attach the battery pack to the light, you want to line them up like so and press them into place. Then you can turn your light on and get back to work.